Hi everyone, it's Imani. Welcome back to my channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when your girl uploads, because do not forget we are doing a giveaway. This is day 6 of Vlogmas, and I decided I wanted to share a nice and simple Christmas look with you guys. This whole look was gifted to me by Kiss New York Pro, and you guys are gonna love it. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the Kiss Pro Touch Drop Foundation. I am in the shade Toffee Caramel. This foundation, when I say was the perfect shade match, it was crazy. I didn't have to deal with any oxidation. When I say none, I mean none. It dries quickly, so I highly recommend this for my oily skin girls, because if you're like me, yeah, then you know. So I do recommend this for my oily skin girls. It is very lightweight. The only thing that I would say was that it did have like a funny smell to it, but other than that, this foundation is perfect. And you know we're all about, you know, saving a pretty penny, especially when it comes to makeup. Guys, this foundation, as you can see, because like I said, it's bomb. Look at this. Like, come on now. This only runs for $8. $8, guys. And this is like, look, it's my skin, guys. It's my freaking skin. I mean, the perfect foundation. I definitely recommend this for my oily skin girls. The next thing that you're going to see me go into is the Pro Touch Full Cover Concealer. I'm going to say Sun Beige. The only thing was, I think this was about 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, but I got it to work. This one is also full coverage. It's also great for my oily skin girls, and I say this again because it dries really quickly, so you do have to blend quickly. I had to go in with a dewy setting spray because it dried up so fast. Like, I think I had to do 2 coats, but I will say that this was almost like a Tarte Shape Tape dupe, and it only runs for $5. Like, this concealer is everything. Like I said, the only thing was, I think it was about 3 shades lighter, and I normally only go for about 1 to 2 shades, but overall this concealer is quite literally everything to me. So what I did was I went in with a damp beauty blender, and I just went ahead and buffed out the edges so we wouldn't have any harsh lines. And honestly, this concealer is literally, I think I have a new fave. Like, normally I would only go for like my Tarte Shape Tapes or my Born This Ways or my Il Makiage, but like I said, to save a pretty penny that's only $5, like, this concealer is everything. Be sure to tune into my videos, guys, because this giveaway is going to be crazy. This isn't no kitty giveaway, you guys. Like, when I say this is some bomb stuff I'm giving away, I mean, you guys are going to be happy, whoever receives this. So be sure that you are listening on these videos and doing this scavenger hunt the right way. Be sure you're, you know, commenting on the video I state the comment on in the end. Make sure you're tagging your girl so I know that you're actually participating. Be sure to follow the rules, guys, because if you don't, then your entry will not count. So be sure you guys are following the rules with this, guys. So as I finish buffing this out, I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyes with some of my favorite setting powder. Also, what I like to do is go in with a translucent powder that's actually lighter than me, because I really wanted a bright under eye. Even though I feel like the concealer was going to do that already, I just wanted to go ahead and really spoof it up for you guys. So that's what I'm doing. And also because, like I said, I tend to crease more under my eye, and I really didn't want that to be the case, so I made sure to add some more powder there. So now I'm just going to go in with a foundation stick by Juvia's Place that's darker than my skin tone, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in the areas that I want to contour my face in, which is normally my nose, my cheekbones, and my forehead. And what I like to do once I put those in those places, I like to take what's left over on the brush and just put that under my chin, because obviously I don't want a harsh line under my chin, because who wants a beard? Not me. Because I'm not doing eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyes with some setting powder. I don't know about you guys, but if you've ever done your makeup, or you know, you're doing your makeup on a consistent basis, does your nose ever start like running, or do you feel like your allergies start acting up? Because that's definitely me. I'd be like, oh my gosh, like please stop. I don't know what button I pressed, but I need to press it again so it'll go away. So as you can see, I'm buffing everything out with my foundation brush. I feel like doing this will also blend everything back in together. I'm bringing this complexion back. I'm definitely giving you guys, you know, that's that nice suntan, and that's what your girl is going for, because in these winter months, I promise you, my skin complexion is gone. I'm talking about white chocolate, just not, oh girl, no. So now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance Beauty True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade Light to Medium. I like to use this one because it definitely gives me that nice sun kiss out in the sun tan, and I definitely need that for around this time, because like I said, in the wintertime your girl is looking ghostly and it is not cute. I'm going in with an angled brush because I definitely feel like this gives me a more natural look, and I'm using a soft hand and I'm building it because I don't want to look crazy. I don't want to look too defined where it looked like I went and got some cheek fillers, forehead fillers, whatever the mess that got botched. Also, what I'm going to do is pinch this nose, and I'm going to go in with some setting powder to do that. So of course this wouldn't be a drugstore glam without some other products that I adore. So I'm going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner in the color Black, and I'll be using their white liquid liner as well, just creating a nice dramatic wing just to add some pop of color to this look. Even though, judging by this daggone thumbnail, I'm sure that the pop of color is really the lip.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
My next favorite drugstore product is Maybelline's Fit Me blush in the shade Wine. Like, how can you say drugstore without knowing about Maybelline? Maybelline is the brand to go to, girl, when you need to pull a look together. When I say it's everything, it is everything. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this on the ball of our cheeks, and you know, on that nice cheekbone, give it some lift, honey. Talk about a bomb product for the low. Sis, I got you. I'm gonna drop everything in the comments for you. Boo, I got you. Don't worry. How could I forget? The other item that I'm using is by Elf, and you know that's another bomb product for the low. I'm using their dewy setting spray. This is their coconut setting spray. Smells so good, feels so good. Like I said, this foundation really sucks up the oil, so if you're an oily girl, it's your best friend. But because I'm not used to it, I had to spray it with some dewy foundation, oh my gosh, some dewy setting spray. And I definitely feel like it took away some of that intensity and the dryness. So now I'm going in with the Long and Volume mascara by Kiss New York Pro. When I say this mascara is the bomb.com, it is definitely the bomb. It's lightweight. This application isn't watery. It dries really fast. I don't feel like, you know, when I put it on and I build it up, it has any clumps. And guess what? It's only $4. So you need to re-up on it. What you're going to see me use now is the Noir de Noir Blackest Black Finish Eyelash in, I think, Noir Velvet. Lightweight, full, dramatic, but not over the top, crazy gorgeous. They don't feel stiff or plastic. That's the thing. They're not even plastic. They're perfect lashes for a glam like this, and they're only $7. So if you want some nice bomb dramatic lashes for the low without having to spend $8 to $20, or I don't know who charging $20 for some lashes, but okay. But if you want some nice bomb lashes, get these. They are bomb. And what you're gonna see me swatch right now is the Glow and Bronze Powder by Kiss New York Pro. Baby, look at that. Velvet texture, highly pigmented, smooth application. As you can see, it doesn't feel oily, so my oily goers, don't be afraid of highlighter, because you know we normally scared of it because it normally brings out more oils and texture. And I don't typically even use highlighter anymore, but this one was enough to make me start back using it. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And it's only $7.95, guys. So when I tell you, you guys need to get up on this, get up on it right now. And what I'm going to do now is go ahead and prep my lips. I've taken that nice chapstick that I had on off, because we're not going to apply that on top. I am going to wipe my lips off, and we're going to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Inks. They're both reds. They are in the shade Dancer and Voyager. The first shade that I'll be going into is actually Dancer, which is the brightest red that you will see. Going on to my lip first, and we're going to work from the inside out and not the outside in, because that's not how we're going to get the ombre effect that we're wanting. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this all on the center of my lips, and I'm just going to build it until I get that intensity of the red that I want from this lipstick. So I'm about to let y'all in on a hack. So if you're wanting to know how to achieve that bomb ombre red lip, I'm telling you, I didn't have, or I couldn't find my black lip liner, so I substituted it for some black eyeshadow. So, and yes, black eyeshadow. So I know we always say stay away from black lip liners, but I promise you this is gonna work out. So what you're gonna do is line your lips with some black eyeshadow or black lip liner, and then you're gonna go in with the darkest lipstick of the red that you have, and you're gonna put that on the top of it, and you're gonna go in with the brush and blend that together to get a nice deep red shade. So the red shade that I was using was Voyager. It's already deep and pretty, but I really wanted that look to pop. I really wanted that red lip to be like, dang, that is a bomb ombre red lip. So what I'm gonna do is constantly go back and forth, just so my first red, which was Dancer, does not get lost in this lip. And then I'm gonna go back in with Voyager again, just so I can add that deepness to the red back, because there was a lot of black lip liner or black eyeshadow on my lip, and I really wanted the red to stand out. I didn't want the black to come through and look crazy. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Miss Imani E, and I will see you in the next Vlogmas. Bye, guys.